In this video I will show you how can you add auto generate subtitle on your InShot video. You can see here I have added subtitle on my InShot videos. You can see here in the below here the subtitle. So the subtitle is automated generated. So in this video I will show you how can you add subtitle in your video which is actually automatically generated. For that reason you have to simply open your InShot. You can see here my InShot app. After opening your InShot, you have to simply choose one of the video. You can see here the video option, then you have to choose one of them. I am actually choosing one of my draft video for simply showing you the process. After choosing here, you have to simply click here text. You can see here text. After clicking here text, you will can see here caption. You have to simply click here caption. After clicking here caption, you have to simply click here background. You can see here background. Then from here you have to simply select one of the background of the template, text template. Then you have to simply click here OK, and then you have to simply click here start. After clicking here start, you will can see here the processing. It can be take a long time like 1 minute or 2 minutes for you, as it's my draft video, that's why they didn't take that much time. So after doing that, you can edit from here. You can see here if you click in the text, you can edit and you can it move to upward or backward. And you also can edit. You can see here if you click on the text and then you will can see here pen icon, you will can edit from that there the text. So that's how you can edit or add automated subtitle on your InShot video. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.